JavaScript Patterns. 181. What is the module pattern? Encapsulates private variables, functions, and closures to create public APIs. 182. What is the Singleton pattern? Ensures a class has only one instance. JS_const instance equals function. Let obj return function. If obj equals return obj. 183. What is the factory pattern? Creates objects without using a constructor. JS function create user name, return name. 184. What is the observer pattern? A design pattern where a subject notifies observers when its state changes. 185. What is the strategy pattern? Encapsulates different algorithms and makes them interchangeable. 186. What is the proxy pattern in JavaScript? Uses the proxy object to intercept and redefine operations on a target object. 187. What is the decorator pattern? Wraps an object to extend or modify its behavior without changing the original code. 188. What is lazy loading? Delaying the loading of a resource until it is needed. 189. What is the difference between composition and inheritance? Composition, assembling behavior from multiple sources. Inheritance, extending behavior from a single parent. What is the command pattern? Encapsulates a command request as an object, allowing it to be executed later.